Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we have a differential equation tutorial 6. So we have a first order linear differential equation problem with an initial condition here. So we have x squared y prime plus 2xy is equal to ln of x, where y of 1 is 2. So this is a first order linear differential equation problem with an initial condition y of 1 equal to. Kindly follow the video to the end and don't forget to subscribe. So to do this, you have to make sure that the coefficient of the y prime or the derivative is 1. So we are going to divide through by the coefficient x squared here. So we are going to have y prime plus, here when you divide through, we are going to get 2xy over x squared is equal to ln of x all over x squared. At this point, we have y prime plus 2 over xy is equal to ln of x over x squared. Now to continue, we have to find the integrating factor, and the integrating factor, which is mu of t, which is equal to e to the power integral of p of t, where p of t is the coefficient of the y. In this problem, the coefficient of the y is 2 over x. So integral 2 over x dx. So with this integral, we don't introduce a constant as part when you are finding the integrating factor. So simply, you are going to get e to the power, the 2 will come out, integral of 1 on x dx. And integral of 1 on x dx is the same as ln of x. So this will be e to the power 2 ln of x. And we are going to put the 2 on the x. So here, applying logarithm, this is the same as e to the power ln of x squared. And if you have e to the power of ln, it cancels out by logarithm properties, and the answer will be equal to x squared. Now we found the integrating factor to be x squared. We move straight to multiply the integrating factor by all the terms in the equation. So we are going to have, this is the final equation we arrived. We're going to have y prime multiplying x squared plus 2 on x y, all of them multiplying x squared, is equal to ln of x over x squared multiplying x squared. So at this point, we have a condition in first order linear differential equation that whenever the integrating factor multiplies the coefficient of the y, it becomes the derivative of the integrating factor. Hence, this whole expression is simplified to be y multiplying x squared, that is y multiplied by the integrating factor, all prime, that is the derivative of the product of y and integrating factor. So this will be equal to, this x squared will cancel this x squared, and it will be equal to ln of x. So at this point, in order to find y, we have to find the integral on both sides, x squared, so everything prime here is equal to integral of ln of x. So this derivative will cancel this integral sign, will be left with y multiplied by x squared to be equal to integral of ln of x. So here we put our plus c here. Integral of ln of x is the same as x ln x minus x, also plus c. So at this point, you have y multiplying x squared, but the plus c will move to the other side. So we are going to get is equal to x ln x minus x, but we still maintain a plus c, but we not subtract. So at this point, this is what we are getting. In order to get y, we divide through by the coefficient of y. So y is simply equal to x ln x over x squared minus x over x squared plus c over x squared. We further simplify this expression so that you get y to be equal to ln x over x minus 1 over x, then plus cx the power negative 2. So this is the solution for the first order linear differential equation. But in order to find c, we have to apply the initial condition, which is y of 1 is equal to 2. So wherever we see x, we put 1, and wherever we see y, we put 2. So we put 2 here is equal to ln of 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 plus c 1 to the power negative 2. So here we get 2. Ln of 1 is 0. Everything will be 0. 2 will be equal to 0 minus 1 then plus c. So we are going to get 2 is equal to negative 1 plus c. So c will be equal to 3. We found the value of the constant. Hence, finally, our y, which is a solution for the first order differential equation problem given, is equal to ln of x. We will write this x. So this is where we arrived. So we are going to write ln of x. Sorry, let me rewrite it here. We're going to write y is equal to ln of x over x minus 1 over x plus 3x to the power negative 2. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to like the video.